Good morning everyone. I'm not that late today. It's 6:30 a.m. I got few options. The first option was to go and sleep once more, but I chose the second one, that was to do exercise because it is easier and better. The third one was to go and run, and I don't prefer to run for some reason. Alright, time to make some tea. Why are you disturbing me? Do you want some tea yourself? Alright, everything is ready. Just need to put some milk, then this thing, and then we are done. Seems like it is ready. Alright, I'm doing some chores. So, there we go. Alright, I'm back on eating fruit instead of food. So everybody cleaning junk from my laptop. I removed some viruses with the help of that antivirus thing. For some reason, this website do not trust me. They think I'm a robot. Is it a way to disrespect me or something? I don't know. But these things are really hard for me to solve. Alright guys, I fucked up a bit as you can see. So I think I will stop doing this. It's not safe. I guess this mission failed. Time to put them all back. I connected the keys. Time to check if it's working or not. Now let's click on this. And it worked. My favorite dish, that is tahiri. Eating something else now. Leo sitting in quite an position. Well, I will get him inside and then I will go for my classes now. Alright everybody, eating free ice cream thanks to this random person on the street. Cool ice cream in a cool weather. Going to a random place. Today I am extremely late and I am going to get kicked out probably. So let's see if I can make more vlogs or not. Leo is waiting for me, but I wonder if my family is. It's almost 10 and I have not even started the editing work. I'm not done with this water, so today's ending is quite bizarre. I will get this thing and let's connect it and let's do the editing real quick. You know what's the irony today? I was thinking to also make a thumbnail, but I'm already an hour late, so I'm going to skip it for now. Seems like most people are available on Friday nights, so I will try to upload more videos during that time. 11 p.m. Time to sleep and see you all soon. Well, I didn't bump it, so you should be happy.